Hello children, welcome back to your GK class, and today we are going to discuss the lesson The Moving Machines. It is in your GK book class 5, right? Here we are going to talk about the moving machines, that means car. We are going to talk about the cars. You all can open page number 42 and 43 for the reference. Starting with the tidbits, early cars were very expensive and difficult to drive. In 1908, Henry Ford designed a car called the Model T Ford, which people could afford. In the next 19 years, he sold how many cars? Just count the zeros. 1 crore 55 lakh of the cars in the United States, almost 10 lakh more in Canada, and 2 lakh 50,000 in Great Britain. So earlier the cars were very expensive and it was very difficult to drive. But Henry Ford was the man who invented the car, and it was very much affordable by everyone, so that everyone can buy. We are going to discuss the parts of a car, types of car, and some unusual cars. So starting with the windscreen, which is the protective glass and the plastic pane, right? This is the protective glass and the plastic pane, which is known as the windscreen. Then comes the wind wiper. So whenever it rains and there are water droplets on the windscreen, this windscreen wiper swipes the water and cleans the screen. Then comes the washer nozzle, squirts cleaning liquid on the windshield. Whenever there is a dirt on the windscreen, this washer nozzle gives you the cleaning liquid on the screen, and then you can wipe off with the windscreen wiper. This is the bonnet, lid-like covering which protects the engine. It is a lid which protects the engine. Grill. This is the grill, and this protects the radiator and helps it to be cool. Then comes the headlight. Lamp on the foot of the vehicle. It is like a lamp. If it is dark, it gives you light. It works like a lamp, and it brightens the path ahead so that you can move. The next is wind. Now this part is the wing, right? And the part of the body forming a casing around the wheels. It is the case of the wheel. It is the case of the wheel. Now next comes the body side molding. Metal or plastic part to protect against light impact. To protect you against the light impact, here is the body side molding. Then comes the door and the door lock. After the door lock, we move on to the tires. There are 4 tires in the car. Now next is wheel trim. You can see the silver thing. This is the wheel trim. Metal or plastic part concealing the wheel hub. Now the next is the fuel tank. Here is the fuel tank flap. ठीक है, उस फ्लैप को खोलते हैं. फ्लैप वो जो है फ्यूल टैंक को ढक के रखता है, and from here the fuel gets in. Now next is the boot, the enclosed space at the back of the vehicle to hold cargo. This is known as boot. Now the next is drip molding, small open canal that captures all drains, rainwaters from the roof. Now this is the drip molding, and what it captures, all the rainwater, it flows through this drip molding. Next is aerial. This is called aerial, to receive radio waves and broadcast. Now some of the cars are having sunroof. It opens and you can move out, and the sun rays can come inside. Moving part of the roof that opens up. It is moving part. It removes. It can move out, और यहाँ से sun rays अंदर आ सकती हैं. So these were the parts of car Now here we are going to discuss about some types of car. The very first is sedan. Children, if you all are using the Ola app, you all would have heard or read about these types of cars. They offer the rides of these types of cars. Sedan, right? It is there. Micro, mini and sedan. So sedan, it is a car that can seat 4 or more people and has an extended boot. यानी जो पीछे की जगह है, ठीक है, डिग्गी, that is extended and it can accommodate more than 4 people. Then comes the hatchback. It is a car with a door at the back end which open upwards. इस तरीके से open होता है ऊपर से पीछे का ढक्कन and इसलिए इसको hatchback कहते हैं. Next come SUV. The full form of SUV is Sports Utility Vehicle. It is a car that has been designed for rough surfaces. ऊबड़ खाबड़ सड़कों के लिए ये डिजाइन किया गया है. It is designed to carry passengers as well as cargo. Now it can carry cargo, means the things, stuffs also, and the passengers also. Then comes MUV, Multi-Utility Vehicle. This spacious car is capable of carrying 5 to 8 passengers. How many passengers can go in this? 5 to 8. Or luggage with foldable seats. The seats are also foldable. It can be folded and you can also carry cargos. Luggage. It is designed for a long distance comfort. It is especially designed for the long distance comfort. अगर आपको बहुत दूर जाना है तो it is especially designed for that. Then comes the sports car. The sports car is a 2-seater high-speed car. Right? इसमें सिर्फ 2 लोग ही बैठ सकते हैं. 2-seater है and it is at a high-speed car. ये बहुत ही high speed से चलती है. And this is sports car and this is how the sports car looks. आप लोगों के पास बहुत सारे sports car के toys भी होंगे where you can see this. Now some unusual cars. The very first one is solar powered car. These cars have solar panels which turn sunlight into electricity that drives the car. अब ये जो solar powered cars हैं, they are not moving on diesel or petrol, but these are moving through the solar energy. ठीक है, solar energy जो होती है, it is converted into electrical energy and then the car moves. And now the next is stretch limousine. Now stretch limousine is these mostly carry famous people, usually black or white. These can seat up to 10 passengers. वो जो लंबी वाली कार आती है ना, एकदम लंबी सी. So this is that type of car. Stretched है वो, ठीक है, खिंची हुई है, लंबी सी कार है, where almost 10 people can sit, and it is only for mostly for famous people. Now next is amphibious car. Amphibious. Now amphibian means the things which can live on land and water both. So similarly, this amphibious car is can run on water also and can run on road also. These are unusual cars, right? Amphibian का मतलब होता है जो चीज लैंड पे भी रह सकती है एंड वाटर में भी रह सकती है. फॉर एग्जाम्पल frog can live in water and on land both. So this is amphibious car which can run on water and on road both. Tarzan the Wonder car में आपने देखा होगा that Tarzan cars were running on the water also and on the road also. The next is lunar rover. The lunar rover moon buggy was the first car on the moon. Lunar rover was the first car on moon. In a hybrid car, the engine can run on 2 or more sources of power. Now people are also designing hybrid cars. अब hybrid cars क्या है? यहाँ पे engine जो है वो 2 sources of power से run कर सकती है. One being the conventional internal combustion engine and other a different power source. Find out some other power sources on which cars can run. So here what happens कि sun तो हमेशा नहीं रहता है, right? Sometimes sun is there, sometimes rain is there. So अगर rain है then how you are going to run your car? So these hybrid cars, इसमें solar panel लगा हुआ है which can use the solar energy when sun is there, and when sun is not there it can use diesel or petrol also to run. So if an engine is running on two sources, then it is known as hybrid cars, right? So now here three questions are there which we are going to answer. We are going to answer these three questions on the basis of the understanding of the moving machine. So the very first question is, who started the car company? Ford. I already told you in the beginning that Henry Ford started the car company Ford, which is also mentioned in the tidbit, the first tidbit, right? The second question is, which of the following manufacturers does not make motorbike? इसमें से कौन सी ऐसी मैन्युफैक्चरर कंपनी है जो मोटर बाइक नहीं बनाती हैं, ओनली कार्स बनाती हैं? दैट इज मर्सिडीज बेंज. ठीक है, सो सॉरी, दैट इज ब्रिस्टल. Sorry, that is Bristol. So which of the following manufacturers does not make the motorbikes? Bristol. Option C is the correct answer. Name the car brands from their logos given below. So the very first, आप सबको पता होगा, the very first icon, the very first logo is of Jaguar. The very first logo is of Jaguar. Jaguar. Now the second is Mercedes-Benz. The second is Mercedes-Benz. Mercedes. Mercedes-Benz. BENZ. The third is Volkswagen. 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 The fourth one is Audi. 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 So the first answer is Henry Ford. The second answer is Bristol. Third ka first answer is Jaguar. B is Mercedes-Benz. C is Volkswagen. And the last is Audi. I hope, children, this chapter was very much clear to you all, and you all have understood the parts of machines, the moving machines, and also the usual cars and the unusual cars also. Thank you, children, and have a good day.